Hey there, have you been feeling like the energy in the world is a little crazier than usual? Or maybe it's just been crazy for a lot longer than you're used to. If you are feeling that, you are not alone. And I can tell you, I'm in it with you. Every member of my community has expressed some version of this. My clients are talking about it. This is a huge planetary shift we're going through, and we are all feeling it energetically. Hey, I'm Patty Lennon. I'm founder of The Receiving School. I'm also creator of the Space for Magic Oracle card deck, which has become one of my favorite tools in navigating the time that we are in. Oracle cards are so powerful when energy is tumultuous because they do two things. One, they give us a very tactical, tangible way to channel messages, to get messages from the divine, from your spirit team, from your ancestors. So that's one. But even if you didn't believe completely in the metaphysical aspects of oracle cards, is they give your brain a focal point. And when your brain has a focal point, it operates from a completely different space. When things are tumultuous like they are right now, our fear brain, which is back here, starts to power up and it takes control of the reins. And you know what happens here, back here in the fear mode, is that we're in survival mode, which makes it really hard to plan. It makes it hard to get excited. It makes it hard to have fun and to see possibilities for ourselves. And when we don't see possibilities for ourselves, we miss out. When your brain starts to feel safe, which is what tangible, tactical things it can see, touch, feel, do for your brain then, the fear brain lets go of control. Blood flow starts to move up here to this prefrontal cortex. And in this prefrontal cortex is where we can create big plans, big goals. It's where we generate ideas. It's where we can get excited. And so if you've sort of been feeling like dull or having a hard time having fun or getting excited about the future, then I can tell you oracle cards are a fabulous tool. Now, a lot of people tell me they struggle with exactly how to use oracle cards. Like maybe you know how to use them, but you want a specific what's called spread. That means how we lay out the cards to show you what's happening next. And if that's the case, I'm so excited to tell you that my upcoming workshop, Forecast Your Future, is exactly what you're looking for. What we're going to do in that workshop is work together to lay out a 12-card spread. Now, normally when people do 12-card spreads, they do them for the month of the year. So you'd have a full year spread. I'm going to show you how to lay out 12 cards and get week by week guidance so that then you can repeat that spread for each quarter. So you're going to be laying out cards to cover only 3 months, and then you can repeat it after you've done that. What that's going to do for you is give you much more detailed, granular information. Beyond that, I'm going to show you how to actually work with the cards physically, how to touch them, how to use your eyes, how to use your ears, how to use your soul to really get the details that every oracle has the power to give you. So if that feels exciting to you, I would love for you to join us. If you're here on the page, just sign up on the link below. If you're finding me on social media, go to pattylennon.com/forecast and just know we're going to have a fabulous time together. One more thing. If you sign up by April 9th, you are going to get the bonus of my Space for Magic Oracle card deck. This is a $39 value, so it's basically paying for the workshop, which is $44. So sign up by April 9th, and you'll be able to join us for the workshop live, which is happening on April 20th at 3 p.m. Eastern. And I will be there live and in person. I will answer any questions you have. So sign up early and get lots and lots of extra good stuff.